price is $11.99. I mean, you can't beat that. I really can't believe it. Now it's getting more and more exciting and I'm so happy. And then the next one is, and now that you know, so we both know now. The next one is, the next item I'm gonna show you, a luxury shopping at best value. I just love it. I visited this store and it was well worth it. Are you ready for my most important unboxing for the day? Hey loves! Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Zona. I share videos regarding fashion, how-to, shopping for handbags and shoes, clothes, and all the fun things in life. Make sure you stay tuned. Today I'm gonna be doing a very nice unboxing for you. Items that I picked up in Cabazon outlet, my favorite outlet in California. So stay tuned up to the very end of the video because these are going to be a very exciting one, and I will show you how to save money when you shop in the outlet. I went for my mini vacation in Palm Springs and I visited the outlets over there, which is the Cabazon outlet. It's about 15 minutes away from downtown Palm Springs. And then I also went to El Paseo shopping district at the Palm Desert area, which is about 30 minutes from Palm Springs downtown. And they have all the luxury designer shops there. So it's a sweet little shopping district where you can find Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Tiffany, and all the likes. It's the luxury designer outdoor shopping mall in the desert. I didn't have much time to roam around over there, but I did take some pictures of the items that they're currently selling right now. So if you're interested in my shopping blog for the desert, and also I have some videos regarding restaurants where I had my favorite meal, and so yeah, it's down below. It has 180 stores. Can you imagine? I'm gonna start with the items I picked up in the outlet, and I will save the Louis Vuitton reveal at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned. I'm gonna be showing a lot of cute items that I picked up, and I'm sure you'll enjoy and probably will encourage you to visit that outlet. Alright, so let's get started with Levi's. I'm sure you already know if you've been watching my videos, I wear a lot of Levi's jeans when I'm wearing some casuals. Levi's is always my favorite all these years, and they have a very good sale going on in the outlet store. Of course, I still prefer to buy some of the Levi's items in the mall because it's just, I just find that the quality is better. I'm not sure if I'm right about it. Maybe you could give me a comment down below what you think so far. But I do have some items that I picked up in the outlet from the Levi's store, and they're not as bad, you know, they stay the quality. Just make sure that you get the ones that have thicker texture and some items that seems durable and you think that would last you even if you wash it for so many times. So here's what I got. So I have this. I bought a couple shorts, same color, one for my daughter and one for me. Same exact thing. They come with the different colors of there, and it's actually only $11.99. So it's a good pair of shorts. The regular price was $44.50, and then they brought it down to $36.99, and then it went down to $19.98, and then when I bought it, it became $11.99. So I did good with my timing. A pair of Levi's jeans for $11.99. Where can you find that? I think the quality is good. I mean, I didn't think that this was made for the outlet. So there are some items that are made for the outlets. These brands do that, I heard. And so when you go and buy some clothes, designer, shoes, handbags, when you talk to the sales associate, just ask them to guide you where are the items that are from the boutique, and they'll tell you exactly like which aisle they put it on, or which part of the store where they all have the items that are from the boutique. So yeah, they will tell you, so just make sure you ask for it. And I think this one, I forgot to ask if this was from the boutique, but it seems like it is, because the material is pretty nice. I'm not sure, but I wish I'd asked. But anyway, it's just $11.99, so how can you go wrong, right? So I have picked up one from my little daughter. She likes to have the same thing of what I have sometimes. And then I have these white shorts, which is also the same price. Oh my God, I can't believe it. So that's what I have from Levi's. Then I went to visit BCBG. I had a very limited time and I have to rush and just go in the stores that I feel have interesting items that I will really put my money on. And BCBG is one of the brand in that outlet that seems to be giving me a lot of goodies in a very good price. This was the third time I visited the store, and all the time when I go there, there's always something interesting. Just make sure to check the clearance items first, because you'll find something that are really good price, good quality clothes, and somewhat still in style. So check out that store. Okay, so yeah, tell them I told you to go there. All right, so let's check. The first thing I want to show you is this tweed top that I could wear this coming winter. So, oh my gosh, this is so adorable. I like the tweed texture of the blouse, and it's a long sleeve, so it's really perfect for winter time, and winter is just around the corner. I really don't need like heavy, thick clothes during the winter here in California because it doesn't get too cold, so this would be perfect. I mean, the quality of this item is really cute, and you see how it's showing part of your back, and then it ties up in here like a ribbon. So yeah, it's so nice. And guess what, how much I paid for this? You can't believe it. The regular price is $88, and I only paid $11.99. Oh my God, I'm so lucky to get this item. Not all the time you need to spend a lot of money on these clothes, shoes, or handbags. It really just depends on how you wear them. And at times, you know, when you wait for it to go on sale, and especially some stores that are quite under the radar but still popular and designer, maybe you could go and check the outlet if your budget is limited, because there you can't go wrong on going there and shopping. Although you just have to be very careful and really inspect the material. But if the price is $11.99, I mean, you can't beat that. So this is $11.99 from $88. Whether this is from the boutique or just made for the outlet store, it's still a good value for the money. And I think I could really wear this many times. It's so cute. I like the color. It's a combination of red, light blue, white, and some black. So I could wear this with a black leggings, tight leggings, and maybe a high heel. On to the next big bag. I really went full blown. It's the price. You can't beat it. So let's start. The next item I picked is this cute sunny yellow blouse. It feels silky to me, even if it's not silk, but it's a nice texture. I really like it. I like the color. It's just perfect for summer or bright days, and it matches my skin tone because it's a somewhat darker yellowish. And you know how much it was? When they first came out, it was $118. Can you believe it? And then I paid $18.98. What a steal. Well, in some of the stores in Cabazon or any outlets, if you have a AAA card, they will give you extra 15% on top of what discounts they give you. So they total everything with a discounted price, and then on top of that you get 15% off. Just make sure to bring your AAA card. But on BCBG, Prada, and high-end YSL, all these Versace, all these stores, I really don't think they accept AAA. I asked them a couple times, and nothing has changed. They don't accept the AAA card. So, but I'm able to use it on Levi's store. So from that $11.99 shorts that I got, I had gotten extra 15% off. So I think it turned out to be just like $10, something like that. Now it's getting more and more exciting. The next one I got is this white long sleeves dress. It's really long. It's really a nice material. It's really light. The texture seems really high quality. And what I like about it is most of their clothes that I bought today are all machine wash. So I don't need to be bringing them to the dry cleaner. And for this one, the first time it came out, when they first sold this, was $248, and then it went down to $198, and finally $148, and then I picked it up at $48.99. This will be really nice with a belt, a big logo belt, I guess, just because the dress is like neutral white, and so yeah, it will look very classy on you if you wear like a thick designer logo belt with this. So I can't believe it. I'm just so excited. I'm so happy. And then the next one is, oh, I can't wait. How is this cutie? Oh, nice. It's so adorable. I like the stripes. I like this. I like the color. I don't have a lot of this color shirt in my closet. And this one, oh my god, you can't believe. I paid $9.98. It was $78. So good. Amazing prices. And I like how the cutlet in the back, it will kind of emphasize your butt when you wear this, I think. You could probably also wear a belt. Just make sure you put the belt like on top here so that it could somewhat mold to your figure. We all know that the vertical lines also makes you look taller. So this is the nice blouse for that purpose. All right. I can't breathe. I can't wait to show you more of these items. It's just so good. Best value for the money. Price is very, very good. So I really can't believe it. So this is the third time I visited that store. I never really paid attention to this store before. And I remembered I picked up very good clothes for a very good price last week when I went there. I made sure that it's one of the top 5 stores that I visited. And I spent a lot of time there, more than any stores. I made sure that I visit this store, and it was well worth it. After you've seen all this and this is the style that you like, you'll probably be going there soon. The next item I'm gonna show you. Oh my god, this one, isn't this cute? It's a cute white t-shirt with some holes on the side, and oh my god, I only paid $18.99 for this. How cute. I'm so speechless. I'm so happy with this shopping. You have to go soon before it's all sold out. But this was originally $98. Very nice quality. And then the next one is this white long sleeves. I've been in a hunt for a white long sleeves for a while now. This will be perfect for the winter here in California because I don't want to wear like heavy, thick clothes. I just like that it's lightweight and it has a very nice material. Very, very luxurious. And for the price, I don't know. You want to guess? This belongs to a more expensive item from what I purchased today, so it's way up there. It was $298 when they first came out with this dress, and I paid $35.99.